Anna is a 25-year-old woman who lives alone in a small, quiet house. It's not big, but it's warm, clean, and full of peace. Her cat, Bella, keeps her company. Bella has soft fur and bright eyes, and she always waits by the kitchen in the morning, ready for food and attention. Every day starts at 7 a.m. When the alarm rings, Anna opens her eyes, stretches, and gets out of bed. After washing her face and brushing her teeth, she heads to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. Toast with butter and a hot cup of coffee is her favorite way to begin the day. While eating, she often looks out the window and watches the sun rise slowly above the trees. Once breakfast is done, she takes a warm shower and gets dressed for work. Her usual outfit is jeans and a simple shirt. After brushing her hair and packing her bag with her phone and a notebook, she is ready to go. Anna doesn't drive. She prefers to walk to work. The fresh air, chirping birds, and friendly faces of neighbors make the walk enjoyable. She works at a nearby school, where she teaches young children how to speak and write in English. Teaching is more than just a job for her. It's something she truly loves. When she arrives at school, her students greet her with bright smiles and cheerful voices. She spends the morning helping them read, write, and learn through fun songs and games. She speaks slowly and clearly, always patient when someone makes a mistake. At lunch, she joins her fellow teachers, enjoying a sandwich and some laughter before returning to the classroom. Afternoons are just as busy. There are more lessons to teach, stories to read, and songs to sing. The children often clap along and try their best to pronounce new words. Seeing their progress makes Anna proud. Around 4 p.m., the school day ends. After waving goodbye to her students, she walks home, feeling a little tired but happy. On the way, she enjoys the colors of the sky as the sun begins to set. Back at home, Bella is always waiting at the door. Anna takes off her shoes, gives Bella a gentle pet, and sits down for a few quiet moments on the sofa. It's a time to rest, take a deep breath, and feel thankful for the day. Dinner usually begins around 6 or 7 in the evening. She enjoys cooking simple meals, sometimes rice with chicken and vegetables. The smell fills the kitchen as she moves calmly from one task to the next. After eating, she washes the dishes and tidies up the space. Later in the evening, she likes to relax. Sometimes she watches a show about animals, smiling or laughing at their funny behavior. Other times, she chooses a book and reads slowly, enjoying the quiet. As the clock nears 9 p.m., it's time to get ready for bed. She brushes her teeth again, washes her face, and puts on her soft pajamas. After saying goodnight to Bella, she turns off the lights and lies down in bed. Before falling asleep, she always takes a moment to reflect on her day. She thinks about the smiles she saw, the words her students learned, and the peaceful feeling of home. With a quiet whisper of thanks, she closes her eyes and drifts into sleep.